Hello. So 3D printing is not just about printing some cool stuff that you download from Thingiverse or Printable. It's also about printing something that you really like a small improvement in your room, or building some bigger project, or doing little improvement, or making something for your heart. So I'm gonna show you all four of these in today's video. So let's begin. And do like this video, make sure of that.
Do you know, whenever I'm thinking of taking a mirror selfie, then to post it on Instagram, the problem is this goddamn 1,000-year-old switchboard that is just few centimeters away from my mirror. That's probably gonna come into the picture. So I have to fix this. I have to fix this thing because it is super ugly. It's super ugly.
I think it's done now, so let's go and see. God, it failed. It failed. You can see this much is done. Only I think 2 layers were left and it failed. Now this thing really sucks, you can see. But it's giving kind of good looking pattern, I would say. You can see all those inside gyroid infill. Now mirror selfies won't be an issue for me because now I can easily take it even if the switchboard is coming in the picture, because it's look cute now and my crush was gonna like it. This is my laptop, and whenever I do some gaming or some hard stuff, it blasts, or you can say heats up like a pressure cooker. So I have to fix this issue. So I have to find some solution. There's some cooling solution. Well, this laptop have like 2 fan inside because I open it, and they are pretty small. They works great, but now the problem is they don't have enough power to properly cool the processor and the graphic card. Since the laptop is a really compact place, so they won't be able to use big fans. So I have a solution for that. So I have this 80x80 fan. This is a PC fan basically. I'm gonna design this thing and put it on top of the inlet from where the laptop sucks the air, so that I can throw in more air that the laptop can throw out from the back of it. So we're gonna do that thing. So probably gonna decrease the temperature by a bit, and it's probably gonna work. Okay, so you want to know the third one. But third one, you might say, well, it's not completely 3D printed. You have used electronic. Yes, I did. But the thing is, it's really great. Let me tell you why. Let me show it to you. And there you go. It's a pet machine that I've designed in one of my old videos. If you can see it properly, it's a really great and compact machine. So this is the machine back, and this is my palm. You can see like it's just a little bigger, not bigger than that. If you know, you know. You're smart. It is not that yet efficient system for me because I don't consume much plastic bottle. I really ever drink Coca-Cola. It's not good for your health. Drink water. But if you consume a lot of plastic bottle, you have a recycling facility from where you can get free water bottle. Yes, you can surely use this thing. It's gonna be really profitable, and you can turn this meme on your screen into reality. A self-reliant system, a glitch in a matrix. So that's why I would say this machine is really useful and easy to make. Link in description if you want to get the STL files. It is super easy to assemble, but it's a third on my list of really useful 3D print that you can make. But the fourth one is really amazing. Let me show it to you because it's gonna get me something that none of you can.
So to do my fourth print, I have to do a lot of research about the subject that I'm targeting. So I started doing the research. It took me like 2 hours of research, mainly through social media. And after doing the research, I have to search about what I can print. So I started finding the model from the data I gathered from my subject. And after doing a lot of research, I found this castle would be the perfect thing to get what I want.
Hey.
Hi.
I got you something.
Get the